Thank you so much for your love and support. Once again, we are back. VIM, how to create a file. You can write or VIM. Best write VI, then file dot window will open there. You can copy paste. You can paste whatever you then press I if you edit. Press you can back colon then W key. This sign you will back this. You can cat this file. You can VI this file name again for reading purpose. But I advise you cat because if by mistake you done anything, then it would be horrible. So or you can just colon keep colon. You can press so nothing extra will be saved. So whenever you press I, we have seen you are press this. Okay. So when you press I, you are in insert. When you press colon from normal mode. Okay. You can't press in insert. If you press, will take a simple. So you are in command line mode. Another mode is there. That is very few have explored this, but this is very powerful. I will show you the much powerful. So we have 4 mode. Normal. Just go into the file and you are in the normal. And you can navigate. Please don't type. Type is this. You can copy, cut, you can search. So this is also open with that command line. So in normal copy, cut, character by character L, you can move. Then this type one character. You can just imagine this like this moving. And then always walk right there. So J, you can view K. So you can visualize person if you want to visualize. Now W, all the word by word here. From here because it is a small W. Capital W here. Next, it's avoid punch, ignores punch. There are few. If you press, then it's the start of the line. If you press dollar, then so there are many more, but we can't able to complete in 10 minutes. So just jump into the next. Purely for you can edit, you can write, hit whatever you, and then you have to press I to come into the normal. Means for every mode you have to come to the normal. So if I press I go to the set. From here you have to come back normal mode for going here to the command line here to the that visual. So from everywhere you have to come to the normal. Now third mode is visual. You press control plus so that you are in the visual. Here is the power. You can select yours here. So if you want to select like this, then also it is possible in the visual map. If you want to make a space, this whole can buy anything. So it is very powerful. We'll see a quick demo of this. Very important because a lot of time you have to need shift a block of code to the right or left. So it's a very important. And then here is this command line mode. So from normal mode, if you press colon, you are in the command line. If you press Q, then nothing will be saved. If you press W, write and quit. And if you write set and U, set number, line number will for no U or no. You can forward search, forward backward search is important. You can replace also, and you can do all many. So we'll see whatever we have will there. So killer coda for VI HPA dot I'm create HPA YAML. So just now copy this YAML file, Control Shift V. I'm in normal mode now. Okay. So if you won't find anything written here, then it's a normal mode. Just press I, it will show it's an insert mode. Just press escape, just press V, it will show it's in visual mode. Just escape, just press colon appear at the bottom means it's a command line. So I press escape. So we'll discuss normal mode. I am pressing L. I am pressing J. Okay, down. If something is here or you press K, then it will particularly you will see here this column number will be same, row number will but K. Now watch. It is in 5. Okay, and again it will in 7. So upside movement, and from J it's a downside movement of line, but it is stick to the column. Now L, already L we have seen. H, you can move it by the arrow key also, no issues. Now I press a small W. Okay, and then W. Now I will press capital W. So you have seen that it escapes colon. Again I am pressing capital W. Okay, so escapes. I am pressing I. So it is in insert mode. I can edit clock. Okay, and I can save. Sorry, I have to escape. And in I have in command line mode. This colon sign you will see. This is in command line mode. And now I'll write set and U. So number is there. Colon set no and U. Number is gone. I want to search kind. It will go to the kind. Okay. And then if you want to next kind, just press N, small n. So it will next kind. Okay, it is very important searching, and you can search also with the question mark, because if your cursor, if you are down and you want to search kind, so last you from bottom if you want to search, then use question mark. It is very important because scrolling through the YAML file, it is not advisable in the CKA exam because sometimes YAML file means system is remote desktop is very slow and it will consume eat you a lot of your time. So this things is very important. Now I will show the power of visual. Very few peoples are using this visual mode. So just press V. Now just you will see this selection. Okay, so always use capital V if you want to do selection properly. Okay, so here press Ctrl V. Now down. Now press capital I. Don't forget, press capital I. Now space and then escape. Wait, and you will space is there for all. So this is very important visual mode, and you can just Ctrl V and escape. Now you can shift V, so you can select lines, and you can Y for copy and P for paste. So you have, and just U for undo. Okay, but it's in a normal mode. Now W key, I want to write and save, write and quit. So this is what we have seen, all this stuff. So Vim is a very vast, and you can have course means 9 hours course of. Thank you so much for your love, and next time we'll see how to create a YAML file. Please keep posting your feedback so that I can improve on.